Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you understand how to choose the best drone on Temu. Selecting the right drone involves considering several factors to match your needs and skill level. We'll explore key features like camera quality and flight duration, ensuring you make an informed decision. Think about how you plan to use your drone, whether for fun or capturing stunning aerial shots. Let's dive into finding the perfect drone for you. When evaluating drones, camera quality is often a top priority. A 1080p camera offers good clarity for photos and videos, while 720p is suitable for casual use. Flight time is also crucial. Many budget drones offer around 10 to 15 minutes, but extra batteries can extend your fun. Don't forget features like altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode for easier control, especially for new pilots. Your budget plays a significant role in drone selection. Entry-level drones, often under $100, are perfect for learning without a large investment. As your skills grow, you might consider intermediate models, which offer enhanced cameras and longer flight times. Remember to factor in extra batteries or replacement parts, as these can add to the overall cost. Always choose a drone that aligns with your current flying ability. Before making your final purchase on Temu, always read customer reviews. These provide valuable insights into real-world performance and potential issues. Compare different models based on their features, price, and what other buyers are saying. Also, check the seller's rating and understand their return policy, just in case. Taking these steps will help ensure you get a drone that meets your expectations and provides hours of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.